Azure Logic Apps is a cloud-based integration and automation platform. It first launched in 2016, and it lives inside of Azure. We've got 3 different deployment models: consumption, standard, and hybrid. And we'll get into the differences on an upcoming slide. We do offer drag and drop visual designer, but we also have custom code extensibility. So this allows you to go ahead and build workflows in Azure Portal or VS Code. And we always like to say we're enterprise ready. We've got features that lend themselves to enterprise needs, including a single tenant offering. So Logic App Standard provides you with dedicated compute, dedicated storage, dedicated networking with built-in scalability in mind. And so that was a question that came up quite a bit with MCP. Oh, how do we scale this stuff? And this is, one of the benefits of leveraging our standard platform is that we offer auto scaling. So you can set the min number of instances that you want. You can set the max number of instances you want. And then you can allow it to actually go ahead and intelligently scale on demand as needed. Now, you'll pay for only what you need and what you're using. And just like we can scale out, we scale back in as well. So we're not going to overbill you either, and you have a bunch of instances laying around charging up money but not being utilized or providing value. So we expand and we compress as well. Now, much like a lot of different product teams inside of Microsoft, we've been adding agentic capabilities. It started back in 2024 with continued investments in 2025 and 2026. All right, so let's just talk a little bit about the SKUs. So we've got Logic Apps Consumption. And if you're familiar with Cloud Flows, this is kind of the closest to that particular offering. And they share some heritage and they share some lineage. So there's going to be a lot of similarities there. And so this is a multi-tenant platform. So that means that it runs in the Microsoft Cloud. We take care of the underlying resources, compute, memory, etc. And we allocate and share that compute across multiple customers. Obviously, we've got security and guardrails in place to isolate workloads, but it is sharing some compute. We do offer 1,400 plus managed connectors. Those do run inside of Azure. Those are billed on a per execution basis. Now, what is one thing that's a little bit different than Cloud Flows, if you're familiar with that, is that these resources are deployed in a customer managed tenant. So you'll notice if you're in Power Automate and you've got a Cloud Flow, and you try to find that in Azure, you're not going to find it because that is running in a Microsoft managed subscription. Versus when we think about Logic Apps Consumption, you will deploy a resource in Azure. You will go ahead and see that resource inside of Azure as well. So a little bit more visibility and control. Now, Logic Apps Standard is generally what we recommend for most customers, just because it offers you some additional capabilities. So number one, it is that single tenant platform, and some of the benefits of that include the dedicated compute, storage, and network. We also allow you to use those same 1,400 managed connectors, but in addition to those connectors, we also have 15 built-in connectors. And these built-in connectors run in your dedicated compute. And the benefit for you is that you have more control. And as a result, we don't need to put in as many restrictions around throttling and stuff like that. So if you need high throughput, that's where you're going to want to go ahead and leverage Logic Apps Standard.